Assalamu alaikum. So today in this video we're going to learn about Arabic conversation for beginner level in English. In this video we're going to learn about interrogative words. The first one is what. In Arabic there are two kinds of what. The first one is ma. The second one is mada. The first one we use when there is no verb in the sentence, but the second one we use when there is a verb in the sentence. I will gonna make you understand by some examples. As you can see that there is no verb in the sentence, that's why we use the first kind of what. Like ma hada, what is this? Ma hada, ma hada. As you can see there is a verb in the sentence, doing. That's why we use the second kind of what. Mada, what are you doing? Mada taf'al. If you are talking to a male, you will say Mada taf'al. Mada taf'al. Mada taf'al. But if you are talking to a female, you will say Mada taf'alin. Mada taf'alin. Mada taf'alin. The second word is who. Man. Who is this? Man hada. Who are you? If you are talking to a male, you will say Man anta. But if you are talking to a female, you will say Man anti. The third word is why. Limada. Why is this? Limada hada. Why are you doing this? If you are talking to a male, you will say Limada taf'al hada. But if you are talking to a female, you will say Limada taf'alin hada. The fourth word is where. Aina. Where is this? Aina hada. Where are you from? If you are talking to a male, you will say Min aina anta. But if you are talking to a female, you will say Min aina anti. The last word is how. There are two kinds of how in Arabic. The first one is kaifa. How is this? Kaifa hada. How are you doing? If you are talking to a male, you will say Kaifa haluka. But if you are talking to a female, you will say Kaifa haluki. Okay, the second kind of how is kam. It is used when you want to ask the person how much or how many. You will use kam as how. Kam. How much money? Kam minal mal. How many apples? Kam adad al tufah.